A circle has equation x minus k the whole square plus y minus 2k the whole square is equals to k plus 7. So we know it is x minus k the whole square plus y minus 2k the whole square is equals to k plus 7. So we know that the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equals to r square, where the center in this case will be a, b, and r will be the radius. So here, when we compare this, what will be the center of this circle? The center of this circle will be k and 2k. K and 2k. And the radius r square, we know it is k plus 7 mentioned over there. So r will be square root of k plus 7. So the first part was to find out the coordinates of the center C and the radius of C in terms of k. So we did that. This is the first subdivision, and this is the answer for the second subdivision. Now, given that the point 2, comma 3 lies on C, show that 5k square minus 17k plus 6 is equals to 0. So in this case, just use this space here. So the point P lies on the circle C. That means instead of x, you substitute 2, and instead of y, you substitute 3 here in this equation. So x, instead of x, it is 2. So 2 minus k the whole square plus y, instead of y we have 3, so that is 3 minus 2k the whole square is equals to k plus 7. So 2 minus k the whole square is in the form of a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So instead of a we have 2 and b we have k. So this will give you 4 minus 2 into 2 into k, that is minus 4k plus k square plus again the same thing, a minus b the whole square. So a square, that is 3 square 9, minus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, so minus 12k plus b square, that is 2k the whole square, that will be 4k square. K plus 7, I'll take it to the other side, it becomes minus k minus 7 is equal to 0. So 4k square plus k square, that will give us 5k square, minus 4k minus 12k is minus 16k, minus 16k minus k is minus 17k, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 minus 7 is 6 is equals to 0. And we need to find out the values for, hence we proved that 5k square minus 17k plus 6 is equal to 0. Hence find the possible values of k. So you can use the factorizing method. When we multiply, we should get 30. And when we add them up, it should give me minus 17. That is 2 times 15 minus 2 and minus 15. When we add them up, we will get minus 17. And when we multiply them, we will get positive 30. Splitting the middle term, so 5k square minus 15k minus 2k plus 6 is equals to 0. So 5k is common. Then we have k minus 3 minus 2 is common. K minus into minus will give you plus. 3 is equal to 0. Make sure that the brackets are same. Yes. So k minus 3 into 5k minus 2 is equals to 0. Equate them separately. You will get k as 3 and k as 2 by 5. So this will be the first and the second subdivision. Find the possible values of k. That will be 3 and k is equals to 2 by 5. Now we have the last part here. Now, for the last part, the tangent to the circle at P intersect the x-axis at the point T. Given that K is less than 2, calculate the exact area of the triangle OPT. So since it's mentioned that K is less than 2, we cannot take K as 3. We need to take K as 2 over 5. So if K is 2 over 5, then the center of the circle, we got it as K and 2K. The center of the circle will become K is 2 by 5 and 2K will be 2 into 2 by 5, that is 4 by 5. And then the radius R is equals to, the radius is root of K plus 7, root of K plus 7. K is 2 by 5, that is root of 2 by 5, that is 0.4 plus 7, that is basically root of 7.4. This will be the radius. Now, what are the things that we have here? We need to find the exact area of OPT. So in order to find out the area of OPT, so let's draw the diagram here so that it will give you more clarity. So this is the origin O, and now the center of the circle is 2 by 5 and 4 by 5, which is 2 by 5 is basically 0.4 and 4 by 5 is 0.8. So from 0, 0.4 and 0.8, it will be somewhere over here. This will be the center. Now we have the point P mentioned here as 2, 3. So 2, 3 will be 2 towards right and 3 up, must be somewhere over there. And now the circle, let's just draw a circle here. So let's say this is the circle that we have. Circle. And now we know that it's a tangent at this point P. So we have a tangent at this point. Tangent means it will be just touching the circle at that point. And this tangent cuts the x-axis at the point T. This tangent cuts the x-axis at the point T. And we need the area of this triangle OPT. OPT, P is 2, 3. So basically, if we need to find out the area of the triangle, we need this base. Height will be 3. So base, we don't know. Height, we have. So how do we find out the T or the base here? That is the question. We know that if we know the equation of the line, then it is on the x-axis. If we know the equation of the line, we can just substitute for y as 0 and get the answer. So let's just find out the equation of this line here, equation of the tangent. So the gradient, we know the sender and the tangent, it makes an angle of 90 degree here, which is perpendicular from the sender. Sender, we got it as 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. So to get the gradient of this tangent, which is perpendicular to the radius, what I'm going to find out? I'm going to find out the gradient of the radius here. So y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 4 by 5, divide by x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 2 by 5. Let's just put this in calculator. 3 minus 4 by 5 divided by 2 minus 2 by 5, which will give us 11 over 8. Now, the tangent is perpendicular to this. So we need to take the negative reciprocal. So this will become minus 8 over 11. So the equation of this gradient of this tangent is minus 8 over 11. And we know a point which lies on this 2, 3. So to find the equation of this tangent, we know y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus 3, y1 is 3, is equals to m, that is minus 8 over 11 into x minus x1. x1 is what? 2. So when we cross multiply this, we will get 11 into y minus 3 is equals to minus 8 into x minus 2. So this will give us 11y minus 33 is equals to minus 8x. Minus 8 into minus 2 is plus 16. So 11y is equals to minus 8x. Minus 33 goes to the other side, becomes positive 33. Positive 33 plus 16 is positive 49. So here y will be, the equation of this tangent y will be minus 8 over 11x plus 49 over 11. So we have the equation of this line here. So if we have the equation of this line, we know that this point T lies on the x-axis. X-axis means y will be substituted as 0. So if y is 0, minus 8 over 11x plus 49 over 11. Minus 8 over x goes to the other side. It becomes 8 over 11x is equals to 49 over 11. 11 and 11 gets cancelled. We will get the value for x as 49 over 8. So from here till this point, we know that the distance is 49 over 8. And we know this is the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance, we know base multiplied by perpendicular distance divided by 2 is the area of triangle. So it's 2 comma 3. So the perpendicular distance, this point here, this is 3 here. So the base area of a triangle, we know it is half base into height. So this is half into base is 49 over 8 times height is 3. So 49 into 3 will give us 147 and 2 times 8 is 16. So 147 over 16 will be the final answer. So the last part was a bit tricky, but if you draw the diagram, then it's going to be easy. So first what I did here was just I found out the gradient of the radius, negative reciprocal, to get the gradient of the tangent, to get the gradient of the tangent. And we have the gradient of the tangent and a point which lies on the tangent. You use y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1 to get the equation of this tangent. So and we know that this tangent cuts the x-axis at the point T. So x-axis means what? After finding the equation of that tangent, substitute for y as 0 since it is lying on the x-axis. You will get the x value, which is 49 over 8. So now the triangle, to find the area of the triangle, it's base times height. Base, we know it is 49 over 8. And height, it's given that the point P is 2 comma 3 away from the origin. So basically 3 will be the height in this case. Half base into height, area of a triangle, you'll get it as 147 over 16. Hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.